Hello, my name is Toby. I'm the founder of BVLASER. Okay, I'm engaged in this medical and beauty laser field for more than 18 years. I think that an entrepreneur should be ambitious. Yes, I am. We want to become the biggest all over the world. Now, we have the picosecond laser, we have the long-cost laser, also we have the CO2 laser, and also we have the IPL machine. Okay, here is our laser chamber production line. We make the picosecond laser chamber and the NDF clear switch laser chamber here, and also we make the Alexandrian laser chamber here.